Hi guys, it's Weedit and I'm here. This is a resource video. I'm sharing a small haul, but mostly it's about a resource, and the resource is Arizona Gems and Minerals. They are a family-owned business or small business run by some guys that are extremely knowledgeable. Their focus is on gems and minerals. They have a lot of fossils, but they generally work with, beads, or at least that's what I use them for the most, is buying beads made from gems and minerals. So let me show you my haul, and I'll talk about why they're such a good resource in just a minute. So the first thing that I did, that I got, and I'm sorry you can see my encaustic stuff up here, but I picked up this beautiful, I always want to call it Dalmatian, but it's leopard jasper. Didn't know that's what the name of it was. The guys were good enough to write it down on the receipt so that I could know what I was purchasing. And I like, when I buy my beads like this, I tend to get them in two different shapes so that I have a variety to work with. Also, that works well when you find out like maybe these are too heavy for earrings. You can resort to the smaller ones. I'm planning on making a necklace, bracelet, and earring set with it. Now, while they focus primarily on gems and minerals, they do have beads that will complement their gems and minerals. So I picked up these as well. They're heavy. These are very nice heavy glass beads, and I thought they worked really well with the larger leopard jasper. And I picked up something else that turned out to work well with it. It wasn't my intention to do this originally, but I picked up these metal beads, and I don't know if I can get it to zoom. There we go. Yeah, and I believe it's pyrite. Okay, there's a good weight to this. Pyrite's usually not necessarily made into beads that much that you see, but unless they're really small like this, and then they can cut it, and the cutting, they're nice, they're evenly shaped, and I thought that perked up the leopard jasper beautifully. So I was really happy about this. This was sort of an accident, but I really do like the way it worked out. The other that I purchased, okay, was this. This is kyanite. Did not know that's what it was. I went through and got what I thought was pretty. So there we have it. True to my form, I picked up another size as well. Okay, another shape and another size. And these beads have a beautiful metallic sheen in them, flecks of metallic something in them, and that's why I picked up this. I thought that went beautifully. I still think it does, so I was kind of glad that this turned out to be multi-purpose. So that was sort of the gem and mineral haul. Now, that's the bulk of what they, I'm not going to say the bulk of what they do. I don't know the bulk of their business. That's the bulk of what I buy from them. I buy pretty gems and minerals that have been made into beads. But again, since they do have beads to complement their gems and minerals, I tend to go a little nuts over there too. So I picked up these sort of frosted, they're a matte finish with an AB coating, and I thought that was a lot of fun. So again, I got two sizes. That was a cat hair from one of the kittens that I rescued. They were living underneath my school. So I got these two shapes, and then I thought, I don't know exactly what I want to do with them. Again, I am thinking of a bracelet, earring, and necklace set. So I just picked up a variety. Here was a nice, these two, they are matte frosted, and they have an AB finish, and they've got a really nice cut to them. I don't know if you can see the detail in that cut. So I have those. I thought, ooh, I need something for contrast. Let's see if this will work. So again, I don't have a completed vision on these frosted beads like I did my others, but I picked up something darker, and then I thought, oh, maybe this will brighten it up. Okay, so I got those. I didn't stop there. Oh no. Ah, look, sparkly, kind of like the matte ones. And they have that AB coating as well. And then I picked up some of these cute little, sort of pink and blue, little, what I call them baby beads. And they're not baby beads, but they're very small barrels. So I got some of those, and just because these looked like a good all-purpose sort of bead with that cut to them, and there we have it. That is my haul. It's not actually complete because I did pick up a flexi shaft with a foot pedal. Very excited to get to use that. But, so okay, there's a lot of bead stores. Why am I saying this is a good resource? Let me zoom in. In, not out. I say this is a good resource because, and I'm going to flip it over, I don't know about their eBay shop. They do have their Etsy shop. This is an old business card because I've been going to them for years. They have an Etsy shop with a few thousand things on there. That is not all of their inventory. They are super helpful. If you do not know what you've got and you need some more of it because you need to finish a project or you want to do something different with it, all you have to do is take a picture and send it to them. They'll try to identify what you're working with, and they will let you know what they've got in stock that might work for what you need. They're very, very helpful in that respect. They will take that time to work with you to identify what it is you've got, to help you try and locate more of it. My dogs are going crazy. I don't know if you can hear them or not. So they are also just a great resource for beads. Okay, just like I picked up here. I've been going to them for years. I'm super happy with everything that I get from them. So give them a try, especially if you're working with gems and minerals and you need something, you need more of something, or you need to match something, or you need something to go with what you've already got. So super helpful. Thanks guys. Bye-bye.